A number of the wealthiest blockchain investors have lost billions of dollars in net worth to the 2022 bear market, or as some like to call it, the crypto winter. Crypto billionaires are becoming a rare breed. Even when Vitalik Buterin he revealed that he was no longer a billionaire in May, the Ethereum co-founder spoke for many of the ultra-rich in cryptocurrency. This comes as cryptocurrency holdings have been hit hard by a sharp decline in prices following the collapse of the Terra blockchain. Bitcoin is down more than 70% from its record closing of 69,000 in November 2021, and every other cryptocurrency of significance has been falling alongside Bitcoin. Ethereum, Solana, Cardano and Binance, they're all down between 50 to 86%. So in total, the value of all crypto assets has dropped from over 3 trillion in November to 1 trillion right about now. This year's bear market is unprecedented in some ways. It represents a combination of difficult macroeconomic conditions, geopolitical tensions, and let's say dubious project decisions by crypto founders. Furthermore, the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, which is a tool that tracks momentum levels in the industry, is currently trading at extreme fear. But before we look at the top 10 crypto billionaires in the world, their net current worth and their source of income, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps. In case you're new to this channel, you want to stay on top of the crypto world, do me a favor, hit like, smash and subscribe so that you can be notified every time we upload new videos, so that you can, and it's important to me, protect your wealth, preserve your wealth, and ultimately increase your wealth. My name is Nico Arache, and I'm the host of Crypto Never Sleeps. And let's start with number 1, Changpeng CC Zhao, with a net worth of almost 30 billion. And he's ranked number 38. 38, I think, richest man in the world. So CC, he is without a doubt one of the most influential personalities in the crypto ecosystem. He's also the richest crypto billionaire. Now CC is the founder and CEO of the crypto exchange Binance, and you might know Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world by trading volume. And in the second spot, we have another crypto exchange owner, Sam Bankman-Fried. He is the founder and CEO of FTX, and he is an extremely influential and opinionated crypto billionaire. So FTX is one of the world's largest crypto exchanges and is one of the biggest competitors to Binance. He is also head of Alameda Research, which is another crypto trading firm. And according to Forbes, Sam Bankman-Fried's net worth is around $15 billion. And in the third spot, we got Gary Wang. And he is another FTX co-founder. He's also an MIT alum and ex-Googler. Wang is a co-founder and the chief technical officer of the FTX crypto exchange. And according to reports, Wang currently holds about 16% of the shares in FTX. Gary Wang's net worth should be around $4.6 billion. And in the fourth spot, we have Song Chi-hyung, I hope I pronounced that right, and he's an estimated net worth of 3.1 billion. And he is the co-founder of Upbit, which is the largest crypto exchange in South Korea. So according to reports, Song owns 25% stock in Dunamu, which is the parent company of Upbit. And according to Forbes real-time billionaire index, Song is currently worth 3.1 billion. Now moving on to the fifth place. So as you can see, the top 4 places were all by crypto exchange owners. It seems to be a very profitable business. But number 5 is Chris Larsen with a net worth of 3.1 billion, very similar to Song. And he is here. We got the first founder of a cryptocurrency, let's say of a blockchain. Chris Larsen, he established the real-time payment system Ripple in 2012. And Ripple remained the CEO of Ripple until 2016 before continuing to serve the company as an executive chairman. He also invented a decentralized lending system, Prosper, in 2025. Larsen is one of the early pioneers in the crypto ecosystem and one of the earliest crypto billionaires. So according to the real-time billionaire index, he currently ranks number 891 spot among the world billionaires with, as I said, a net worth of 3.1 billion. And in the 6th spot, we once again have the head of a crypto exchange, Brian Armstrong, and he is the president and CEO of Coinbase, which is the largest crypto exchange in the United States. And according to reports, Armstrong, he holds around 20% of Coinbase's shares. Brian Armstrong is also an influencer on crypto regulation, and he has a role to play in directing the crypto regulation in the European Union. So he's also attempting to do the same in US politics. And his net worth has been reduced significantly during the crypto bear market, crypto winter, but according to Forbes, he is still worth $2.8 billion. In the 7th place, we have Jed McCaleb, who was another co-founder of Ripple and its token XRP. However, due to internal differences, McCaleb, he left the payment company and started another cryptocurrency with the name of Stellar. So he is also the chief technology officer of Stellar. So McCaleb, he is clearly and was a pioneer in the blockchain ecosystem. He established the Mt. Gox crypto exchange, which is the first major Bitcoin exchange. However, Mt. Gox was later hacked, but according to Forbes, McCaleb's net worth is $2.5 billion. In the 8th and 9th spots, we have the popular Winklevoss brothers, Cameron and Tyler Winklevoss. They are popular for their role in the popular movie called The Social Network, also about Facebook. Now, they are also the co-founders of the Gemini crypto exchange and the NFT platform Nifty Gateway. So those two brothers, the twins, also lost a significant portion of their wealth in the crypto winter. So back in March, both the brothers were estimated to be worth $4 billion each. So, however, now the net worth has been reduced in half during the bear market. And quite interesting, in number 10 and 11, we got Nikhil Vishwanath and Joe Lau. And their net worth also seems to be around 2.1 billion each. And their source of income is quite surprising, but it is Alchemy. So they're both the co-founders of Alchemy, and Alchemy is a Web3 platform which aims to build and scale decentralized applications on the blockchain. So Nikhil and Joe, they were classmates at Stanford, and they initially collaborated in Down to Launch, which is a meetup app. So both of them, they hold 26% shares in Alchemy. However, I think it's fair to say that both of them, they struck gold with Alchemy, right? Which is one of the biggest development platforms for the Web3 applications. And Alchemy also powers the NFT marketplace OpenSea and the DEX Kyber. So well done to both of them. So before we end, all I can say is the future of finance is being built right in front of our eyes, and it's being built on the blockchain. The blockchain is going to create new millionaires, new multimillionaires, and new billionaires. And all I can say, perhaps you're not a programmer, and perhaps you don't have the means to become the few million in the right pocket and can make them into a few billion. But one thing that I am convinced about, currently we are seeing the market down. We are seeing top quality coins trading so much lower from the previous all-time highs. Now I would think it's the time to get in. Remember, buy high and sell low is not the way forward. You need to buy low, you need to sell high, you need to go against the mainstream if you yourself want to remain or become among the top 1%. Now, in case this video gave you any kind of joy, then please hit like, smash, subscribe, and come and join some of our live streams. Sometimes they're fun, sometimes not, but I can tell you, always try to provide valuable information so that you can become among the top 1%.